Type of oil for lawn mower. Before you are able to change the lawn mower oil on your Briggs & Stratton registered small engine, it's important to understand the oil type and capacity required. The type of equipment you use, the engine within, and the temperature outside determines what type of oil to use, how much you need, and the cost of the oil. Let's get started. Number 1. Motor oil. Many people use regular automotive motor oil in their lawn care equipment. However, there are better options available. Contrary to popular belief, there are significant differences between regular motor oil and small engine oil. Small engine oil provides additives and protection meant for the operating conditions that your equipment will be placed under. Number 2. 4-stroke engine oil. 4-stroke engines are more common in larger mowers, such as riding mowers. If your mower has a 4-stroke engine, chances are that motor oil will be perfectly fine to use. 4-stroke engines in mowers are very similar to ones found in larger vehicles. Number 3. 2-stroke engine oil. 2-stroke engines are more likely to be found in smaller lawn care equipment such as weed whackers and chainsaws. Unlike 4-stroke engines, 2-stroke engines do not have a separate lubrication system. Instead, the oil is mixed with the fuel and lubricates the engine as it passes through. The oil is then burned off along with the fuel. Since the oil and fuel are mixed together, you will have to mix the oil and fuel together in a specific ratio. This ratio can be found in your owner's manual. Number 4. When to change your oil. Knowing when to change your engine's oil is as important as using the correct oil for your device. Neglecting or not knowing when to change your engine's oil can lead to unfortunate side effects. Fortunately, learning how and when to change your oil is fairly simple. If your mower is brand new, it will likely need to be changed after the first few hours of use. After that, small engine mowers will need to have their oil changed approximately every 25 hours of use. Number 5. Synthetic oil. Synthetic oil is generally superior to conventional oil for any engine. Synthetic oil is much more refined than conventional oil and provides much better performance results. Number 6. Oil recommendations for small engine mowers. Depending on which temperatures you operate in, you may have different requirements for your engine oil. For most mowers and weather conditions, your best bet is going to be SAE 30/SAE 10W30 oil. These oils are ideal for operation in warmer environments. Even if you live in a colder area, chances are you aren't going to be operating your lawn care equipment until it's warm again. Use the oil finder tool to help you find the best oil for your small engine. Choose your equipment, engine name, usually found on your engine label, and outside temperature that you will be using it in to find your recommended oil, and how much to use.